told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. We're talking about two inspiring personalities who are making an impact in their own ways. First is Lyliana Wray. Lyliana Wray is an American actress born on December 30, 2004. She began her acting career at a young age and gained early recognition in 2016 when she played Angel in the movie Maximum Ride. She later appeared in popular TV shows like The Night Shift and Blackish, and in 2022, she was seen in the blockbuster film Top Gun: Maverick playing the daughter of Jennifer Connelly's character. Outside of acting, Lyliana is known for her love for animals and is currently training her dog, August Rex Ray, to become a service dog. Now let's talk about Mariah Taylor. Mariah Taylor is a plus-size model and body positivity advocate originally from Sierra Leone. She moved to the United States around 2020 to follow her dream of modeling. She strongly promotes self-love, confidence, and embracing your body at any size. She attended Duval High School in Maryland and proudly represents her hometown. Her journey inspires many people to stay confident and true to themselves. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!